It's gonna be impossible.
Hear me? Where's that stupid brother of yours? Hold it!
What do you want now? Step out here and talk. Speak up, mister.
Don't shoot, I'm out of shells.
What'd you say there?
I said I'm out of shells, don't shoot.
Now, wait a minute. You keep mumbling. You keep saying don't. Don't what?
Shoot, Marshal, shoot.
Well, he said shoot, didn't he?
I hear business here. Yes. Ah, yes, business. Yes. Hello, brother. What do you got for me there?
Oh, I got you another customer, Phineas.
Well, isn't that nice of you? Now, let me see here. That must make, I would say, what, 14 this week?
Oh, no, big brother. That makes 15 this week.
Oh,
Don't I
yeah.
get my bonus?
Oh, I'm certain we can arrange something. Yep. Oh, my goodness. Bad case there. Bad case. My, he is a big one, isn't he?
Only the best for you, brother.
All right, you gentlemen want to do me the honors and so I can finish the preliminaries here? Yeah. Heavy, ain't he?
Dead weight.
Yeah, I wonder why he ain't laughing.
Oh, he ain't got no sense of humor.
Well, that's obvious. Obviously, the man's got no sense of... Yes, just as I suspected. Oh yes, know you all that I, Phineas J. Mortimer, as duly appointed coroner and mortician of Ghost Town, do hereby pronounce and declare the Ghost Town Kid officially dead at this time on the 31st of July, the 1,885th year of our Lord Anno Domini. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and neighbors, if we could have a moment of silence in memory of our dear departed brother and as a gesture of respect, folks, would you kindly remove your hats? Thank you. Sir, you remove your hat, please? Thank you. Hat's on, that's enough respect. I said that's enough respect. Okay, thank you. All right, little brother, I want to thank you again, and deputy again for your patronage, and if you'd send that over with the deputy, I got to get him over to the mortuary before. Well, those kind of things happen, folks, you know. In all my years of being a mortician, you get used to this kind of thing happening all the time. Yes, sir, you just got to get him over there before he's more trouble dead than he was alive. Yeah, well, we just do it like this. And nope. Uh-oh. Because I was afraid of bringing more Diet Coke for select light and setting in. I just gonna have that. Whoa! Yes, well, we handle that one. Oh. Yeah, well, I'll handle this. Oh, I don't think. All right, better way to handle this. Better way. Yes, sir. Right there. Well, that handled that real. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, well, this is how they told me how to handle this in Undertaker school. Whoa, okay. You do me the honor, deputy. Clean up the street here. There we go.
That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No.
We lost about 2.5 minutes of dialogue at the beginning because this thing wasn't on. Right on zero. Just stay right there. This thing wasn't dilating at all. I mean, it was set right here.
And it wasn't moving.
When
it started going
she came over here. We missed about a minute and a half to 2 minutes.
I was doing 2 minutes.
Well, we'll set it up
We're
here
going to pick
again.
this up another day.
Yeah, it's
I
our
do
best
too.
show.
Yeah, I do
And
too.
it's very funny.
Yeah.
We didn't particularly had a crowd that was laughing a lot, but when it rolls, it really rolls.
Who writes this stuff like these other ones? Other two?
I've started doing it. It's It's a lot of it's stuff that we used to do years ago. A lot of this is what me and a guy by the name of D. Woolen put together 30 years ago off the train. This used to be the big train robber. And I invented the Undertaker bit.
It's really good. Yeah.
And then